Okay, so this is an example of a product that we'll be selling. So this is a bottle with some minerals inside there, and these are what we call sand. It's an inverted comma sand because it's colorful sand, right? So this is a cute product. So this could be a souvenir. This could be where someone buy it and write their names on it and so on and send to someone as a gift. So how does this actually work? You see, this could be sold for just a few dollars. And we may not even make money by selling it for a few dollars. But here's the thing. When they buy it, they could end up, let me just show you some example here. They could end up buying 2 units. You see that? So we have double our income. And when they buy it, we could also propose to them. That would you want to buy for your friends? So as you can see now, this is like another different color. Then we could have another one and ask them whether you want a collection or not. And then we could have another one or different ones and give them a bundle offer. So when they buy for, say, a few dollars, they could end up checking out at $20. So that's how when we sell a $19 product, if you see through the PayPal notifications video that I share with you publicly, those are our real customers. You see the minimum is $19.85, but sometimes the checkout becomes $49, $59, and so on because we have add-ons. So that's how the strategy works.